Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in the studio today is Misty Hammer, and you're here to talk about some upcoming CPR classes that are being held in Joplin. So first, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Great to have you here. So CPR, of course, is an extraordinarily crucial thing for folks to learn. Yes,
very important. When seconds matter, that's when you want someone around you that knows how to do some CPR. So the Joplin Health Department is offering classes at the public library. They're going to be this Thursday, May 18th. For those that take the online course, they can do the check-off, which is from 10 to 11. That's $20 to do that. And then we have a friends and family course, which teaches you all the basics from using an AED to doing the compressions and the breaths and that sort of thing. So,
and how essential is it for folks to have some of these CPR skills?
Well, you can't plan an emergency. So, you could be at a restaurant and your child could start choking and you want to be able to get that airway open. So it's very, very important.
And that's something actually I wanted to bring up too. You know, children, obviously, for new parents, that can be a scary situation. Even when they're, still in that toddler range or a little bit older, that can be scary if you don't know what to do. And that's another part of what you're offering is some child and infant CPR as well.
Yeah, yes, we teach you on the grown-ups and the kids and the babies. So, and that course will be from 1 to 4. And that is great for new parents, grandparents, babysitters, anyone that just needs to know those basic skills.
And what's some of the turnout been like at these different events?
Great. We've had a lot of people interested. I think that interest was increased whenever the football player had the incident on the football field, and we're glad to be able to teach those life-saving skills.
Right. I mean, that definitely brought CPR into a national spotlight, in a way it hadn't been before.
Right.
And then you've got something in this box.
I do. I have a baby. I don't recommend having a baby in a box, but so here's the baby.
Okay.
So I was just gonna. What we would with a baby, it's a little bit, you don't have to have like your hands like, it's just kind of, you want to make sure that you get right there between the nipple line there and you want to press hard enough, like 1.5 inches deep, and you want to go at a good pace, like at the beat of Staying Alive, that song from the 70s?
Yeah.
So you want to go 30 compressions per 2 breaths. So we would go 2 breaths. Want to make sure you see the chest rise, and the rest you have to get in the class.
Okay. So and so just a real quick recap. When are these classes? Where are these classes?
These classes are at the Joplin Public Library. You do have to register, and you go to the joplinmo.org website. You'll go to Parks and Recreation as the department, and the registration site is there. It's not the health department, so it's there that you register. If you need the check-off, then you'll want to do the BLS check-off. If you need the friends and family, the whole course, then sign up for that, and then you'll pay right there, and then we'll see you at the public library on Thursday.
All right, Misty, thank you so much for coming in. We'll have all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.